Hey, what are you doing? What you doing, Astiash?
What are you doing, Mommy? Astiash cool? Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. What you doing? Hi, Mommy. What you doing? Hi, Mommy.
Astiash cool. Astiash cool. There you are! I love you.
Maybe now he's not doing what he's doing.
I know.
Let him do it. What are you doing, Mommy? Huh? What is Astiash doing? What are you doing? Are you tapping on the wall? Are you tapping the wall? Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Not clap, Mommy. Or whisper. Why are you banging your head on the wall, Mommy?
You're not hitting your head anymore?
Are you done banging your head, Mommy?